I've got I got some Chelsea Wolf split, and then I don't know what this is because it doesn't say anything. But I mean, it's $9, so I think I'm gonna get it.
Did you come with a list in mind?
Yeah, I had like 10 things on my list. I was here at like 10, but the line was to like here, and so I had something to do at 12, so I had to leave, and I had to like put stuff back. Thankfully, like what I really wanted is still here.
Night Beds, new record. Country Sleep, great stuff. Check it out.
Anything else?
Everything else. It's all so good.
What else do you have in mind?
Trying to see some old jazz from West Montgomery, Charlie Christian, some cool stuff.
I was actually looking for Fish, Lawn Boy, which is gone already.
Any luck?
No, it's gone already. I was looking for the Newfound Glory record. That's gone already. But did find some Traffic for my buddy. Yeah.
She's moving around. I cannot be lost and found. Well, she's moving all around, and yeah, she brings it all around.